Hello children, today we are going to discuss factors affecting distribution of population. Factors affecting distribution of population. Children, there are many factors which affect the distribution of population. These are geographical factors, social factors, geographical factors, social, cultural, and economic factor. Okay, and economic. Geographical factors, social, cultural, and economic factors. All these factors affect the distribution of population. So let us start. The first one, geographical factors. There are various factors under geographical factors like topography. Topography means land surface. What type of land surface? Different types of land surface, mountains, plains, plateaus. Okay, so people always prefer to live on plains rather than mountains. Okay, plains. Plain areas, the plains are more densely populated as compared to mountains or plateaus because these areas are fertile. Fertile lands. It is easy to perform different types of activities. We can perform different types of activities easily. Clear? We can grow different crops. These are suitable for farming. We can set up different industries on plain areas, and we can also perform different types of activities easily. That's why these areas are very densely populated. The Ganga plains are the most densely populated areas of the world, while mountains like Andes, Alps, and Himalayas are sparsely populated. In mountainous region, it is very difficult to perform different types of activities. It is difficult to construct roads. It is very difficult to lay down railway lines. Okay, so that's why mountains are less populated as compared to plains. Then the second factor is climate. Okay, under geographical factor, second element is climate. We usually prefer to live in those areas where the climatic conditions are suitable. We avoid extreme climates that are very hot or very cold. Nobody wants to live in very hot or very cold areas. Nobody wants to live in such areas where the conditions are very tough. And we prefer to live in those areas where the climatic conditions are moderate. For example, Sahara Desert, polar regions, these are Antarctica, Canada, Russia, these are the regions where climatic conditions are very, very tough, very cold climatic conditions. Next is soil. Soil also play a very important role in our day-to-day life, or we get our food directly or indirectly from soil. Fertile soils provide suitable land for agriculture. Fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Huanghe, Changjiang in China, and the Nile in Egypt are densely populated. These are the important areas which are densely populated. Next is water. People prefer to live in those areas where fresh water is easily available. Areas where fresh water is easily available are more densely populated. And those areas where water is not available, or where the water is polluted, or where the water is hard, are less densely populated. Then comes minerals. Areas which have mineral deposits are more populated. Why? Because people get jobs in these areas easily. Areas which have mineral deposits are more densely populated. Why? Because people get job easily here. For example, diamond mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East lead to settling of people in these areas. Now we will discuss social factor. Social factor beta. Areas of better housing, education and health. ठीक, better housing. Areas of better housing, education and health are more densely populated. Clear? For example, suppose if we want to purchase a house, if we want to purchase a flat or a plot, we first of all we see whether there are schools, whether there are education institutions like schools, colleges or health facilities. So those areas where all these facilities are available are more densely populated. Then cultural factor. Places with religion or cultural significance attract people. Varanasi, Jerusalem, Vatican City are some examples of this. Last is economic factor. Industrial areas, or those areas where a lot of industries are established, they are more densely populated because they provide employment opportunities. Take more employment opportunities. Because of more employment opportunities, these areas are more densely populated. So children, these are different factors which affect the distribution of population. Okay, thank you.